These are some abandoned trains I found behind some buildings. Been here forever. I think I found them originally in '97. Not quite sure. There's another one behind this one, but it's so wooded in I can't get in there. It was a while back, I could have gotten in there. This one is a kitchen car. This is an old picture that I had. It's just easier to read. This was probably taken in '97. I will be inserting pictures to show you what the trains once looked like a long time ago. There's stoves in there and everything else. The windows have gotten quite foggy. I don't think you can see anything in there anymore. There used to be another one here that I absolutely loved. It was green as well. But they took it across the street to where they actually have trains. That was my favorite car. I've always wanted that car. This is a picture of it as it was sitting before it was moved across the street. The next picture you're going to see is when it was moved across the street. They've been here so long, that piece of metal is right in the tree. How the tree is still alive, I don't know. There's another car right there. You really can't see it, but it's back there. The car to the right is the one that's now buried in the trees. And I'm pretty sure I took those pictures on top of that car. Later on, obviously, there are trees around it. I'm pretty sure this tag is from the train that I was on top of. I'm not quite sure. Oops. These cars are gigandor. I climbed up on the roof of those once. Not sure how I actually got in there, but got up there rather. The other car, there is another one right in there. Barely see it. There it is. Number 17. So I'm walking up a little bit further up the track. The other trains are behind me. So I have a feeling that these trains are going to be gone because they're not going to want to look at that with this new hotel here. Interesting place for it. It's right on the main road. I don't understand it. Unless it's an office building. But it looks like a hotel. I'm not sure. Let's see what this is. See if this is a sign or not. Let's see if it's a sign. Nope, just a piece of metal. So there's one in there. There's another one here. Looks like it got hit pretty hard, or it hit something pretty hard. And the other trains are down there. So there was one night I was here having an ice cream, and I was checking out these trains, and I noticed the bear walking behind me. I saw it, he saw me. Then he stopped, he sat down. I thought that was really weird. Then I looked away and I kept walking away, and he started to come in, and it was almost like he was in trouble. Like he felt like he was in trouble. Looks like that hit something. So I found out later why he would think that, why I would think that the bear might be in trouble, because he makes his annual pilgrimage here to go to the Dunkin' Donuts dumpster. And I kind of followed him going to the dumpster, and some people were out there that worked there, and they threw him a donut, and he took off. Thought that was pretty fun to see. There's a couple in there. There's 4 altogether of these. That's a cool piece. So I call this my deck car, because if I owned it, I would redo the top, just have it like my little patio, my deck, have it come, be able to walk right out of the train. We do this, do with some nice oak or something, some cedar. Make it look really nice. I think that would be kind of cool. I'd like to have a line of cars. I would have caboose, deck car. B&M, Boston, Maine. Looks like they're gonna rip all this up and get rid of those cars. Either scrap them or whatever. Not quite sure. Surprised they wrecked these tracks, because there's no other way to get those other train cars that are at the end of this line out. It's going to be quite interesting. I don't think they meant to screw up these railroad tracks here off to the side. They're pretty messed up. Those are pretty messed up. Gotta get that down. Boston, Maine. This is pretty banged up. There's 4 of these altogether in this area. They are pretty cool. More of an old school train guy myself, not the newer ones. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this interesting, I have another train video on a train station in Bethlehem, New Hampshire. Check it out. I'm also going to be posting some other train videos from Bartlett, New Hampshire. Have a good one.